Are you tired of waking up at the crack of dawn, walking through freezing rain or snow just to let your chickens out? Or worse, rushing home in a panic before dark because you forgot to lock the coop? Welcome to the ultimate dilemma of every backyard poultry farmer. Today, we are answering the million-dollar question: are automatic chicken coop doors actually worth the money, or are they just an overpriced tech gimmick? I am going to break down the true cost, the hidden dangers, and the massive time-saving benefits. Let's find out if this gadget is the ultimate game changer for your flock. Let's talk about the number one reason you are even considering this: predators. Foxes, raccoons, and stray dogs are nocturnal hunters. If you forget to lock your coop just one single night, you could lose your entire flock. An automatic chicken coop door acts as a relentless digital security guard that locks securely into place the second the sun goes down. Ask yourself, how much is the peace of mind worth knowing your hens are safe every single night? The best automatic doors run on 100% solar power with a rechargeable lithium battery backup. That means you don't need to run expensive, dangerous electrical cords across your yard. They utilize highly sensitive light sensors to automatically open at sunrise to let the birds out and completely shut at dusk. It's a completely hands-off, self-sustaining system. But what if a chicken gets stuck in the door? Premium automatic doors come equipped with a built-in anti-pinch safety sensor that works exactly like a modern elevator door. If the door feels even the slightest resistance underneath, it instantly stops and retracts back up. However, a quick warning: avoid cheap knockoffs online, as their sensors often fail in cold weather. Think about the math. Opening and closing the coop takes 2 trips every single day. That is over 700 trips a year. By installing an auto door, you are literally buying back your time. You can finally sleep in on the weekends or go on vacation without begging neighbors to chicken sit. The time and physical energy you save easily pay for the cost of the door. So, are automatic chicken coop doors worth it? Absolutely. They provide unbeatable predator protection, give you back your freedom, and modernize your poultry setup. I've tested multiple models and linked the absolute best, most reliable auto doors in the description below, so you can upgrade your coop today. Let me know in the comments, what time do you usually wake up to let your chickens out? Do not forget to like and subscribe to Business Ideas English for more smart farming tech. See you in the next video.